absolutely. All the things that you just said, but I would also say from a foundational element, and this might be a hot take, I don't know, let me know in the comments, accurate data, because data is supposed to be the source of everything that's true. It's what you build your customer personas, the mapping, the segmentation, all the automations. So if that's not accurate, and if the folks in your CRM are not appropriately enriched and they're not even high intent leads to begin with, then nothing else that you're trying to add on top of that is going to work. And you actually have no real way of measuring how successful your brand voice is. And so that's actually what I would say you need to start with, is going into your CRM and making sure that the data in there is accurate, indeed high intent leads that you're trying to target and appropriately enriched so that you can test your brand voice.